Hello, good morning. Can I have my slides magically show up? 1, 2. Yes, so I did the magic. Hello, good morning. I'm Raimonds Simanovskis from eazyBI, which is reports, charts, dashboards application, which helps you to analyze Jira and other apps data. And at first, I'm really happy to be second time here in DEISER Enterprise Days, and I really enjoy presenting on this large screen as the eazyBI charts look so nice on this large screen. And it's also, I'm coming from Latvia, where it's all the time so cold as it was in the morning, but so here during the daytime it will be a little bit warmer. So back to eazyBI, what is the problem that we are solving? So as you know, Jira is a very powerful tool where you can define a lot of custom fields, custom workflows, add your additional add-ons. But the built-in Jira reporting is quite limited. So there are some standard gadgets with some limited customization capabilities. There are some other Jira software or service desk reports. But if you really want to get out all the data that you have put into a Jira application, then you need to call super app eazyBI to help you. And with eazyBI, you can easily create reports with drag and drop functionality and create pivot table style reports and analyze different measures like issues created, resolved, or workflow transitions or hours spent, and analyze by any standard Jira fields or any custom fields. And then you can create many different chart types like bar charts, line charts, pie charts, and other chart types, as well as create dashboards. And you can create also powerful calculations using a specific calculations formula where we are shipping several standard calculation formulas, as well as you can learn how you can create your own calculation formulas for your specific needs. I wanted to show some examples, some typical examples how eazyBI is used in different scenarios. So at first, eazyBI could be used for agile teams which use Jira software. And if you're using Jira software, then with eazyBI, you can create different sprint burn down or burn up charts, and you can analyze how many story points you have resolved, how many are remaining, what is the trend line, what is the guideline, how you should do that. And then you can customize and see it across different sprints as well. Also, for each sprint, you can analyze sprint velocity and commitment changes and scope changes. So for each sprint, you can see how many story points were committed, how many were added during the sprint or changed, and how many were completed during that sprint, or how many were removed or not completed or changed during the sprint. So you see the whole history and you can analyze how well you are performing. As well as you can use eazyBI for service teams, and if you're using Jira Service Desk, then from Jira Service Desk we are extracting all SLA information that you have defined there, and then you can analyze by any SLA how many issues met SLA criteria, how many breached in percentage-wise, and then you compare them over time, as well as filter by any other criteria, like, for example, by customer request types. Then you can also analyze the different other data. If you are just using Jira core functionality, then eazyBI can extract and you can analyze all the history of issue data. For example, you can see how many issues were in any particular workflow status in any historical point in time. Then during the last years, we have been focusing on integrating with other apps in Atlassian Marketplace. And now we are having integration with several top test management apps for Jira, which are X-Ray, Zephyr, and Adaptavist Test Management. And with eazyBI, you can analyze how many tests were created, how many were executed, not executed, how many bugs were created as a result of these tests, what is the test coverage, and compare it with your other Jira performance indicators. As well as you can analyze time spent in Jira. Either you are using Jira Core functionality for time tracking, or if you are using Tempo timesheets. Then you can analyze hours by any field or by Tempo timesheets, additional workflow attributes. Then one of the recent additions are, so I'm now filling up for Riada, so they unfortunately didn't show up here, but so I'm promoting their Insight add-on as well. So we recently created integration with Insight Asset Management, and so with Insight you can store all your network and computer assets or any type of assets or any type of objects in this add-on. And then the latest eazyBI integration with Insight allows to analyze your asset information by any asset attributes that you have defined there. And then we have had a very productive cooperation during this year with DEISER, so both with helping common customers with the eazyBI implementations, as well as a year ago we met and discussed how eazyBI could be integrated with DEISER Pro fields, and now a couple months later we created integration both with Pro fields for Jira Server as well as for Jira Cloud. And if you have now any project information fields defined in Pro fields, you can use that in eazyBI analysis as well. And eazyBI is not limited just to Jira data, to Jira app data. You can also upload and import other data sources in eazyBI, either from files or from databases or from REST API, and then either combine with Jira data, or if you just have some additional data sources for which you don't have a good reporting tool, you can use eazyBI for that. So, eazyBI is available on Atlassian Marketplace, and it is a top reporting and charting application on Atlassian Marketplace, and available both for Jira Server, for Data Center, for Jira Cloud. And if you are interested to learn more, please come to me and speak with me at my booth, at eazyBI booth over there. Thank you very much.